Hi guys. This is gonna be the last post of the year. Um, what I'm asking you guys to do for this week is just to do a survey for me. Obviously, if you're watching this, the survey will be posted on the same post as this video. Um, also, well, I'll take a step back. The survey is basically just a class evaluation. What you thought of the class, myself, that kind of thing. Pretty standard, but I really want you guys' feedback um, in terms of what you thought, some things that thought went well, some things that you thought could have been improved, and so forth. Um, and then obviously grades. Grades need to be in by at the very latest early June. So really, there's no really assignments other than a survey for this week. So it'll probably be a very good idea, at least by the end of this week, to get a lot of your makeup work done if you do have makeup work. Start getting that stuff done and turned in. Do me a favor though. If you do any makeup work, you please send me an email. Say, hey, Myers, I completed this extra ticket or did this assignment, just so I know to check. I don't get any notifications when you guys turn in exit tickets. So I don't want to miss anything. I figure it's better to be safe than sorry. If you did it, you put the work into it. I want to grade it. So please let me know if you did something for this week. Just shoot me a little email. Hey, I'm doing X, Y, and Z, and just check it for me. So please do that. All right. So anyway, grades June 3rd to June 4th will be fantastic at the very, very, very latest, but hopefully it won't be turned in that late. All right. So anyway, I know, this is kind of bittersweet. I know summer vacation. Usually we're all excited and that kind of thing to go off and enjoy our summers, vacations, and kind of just be away a little bit. But this year doesn't really have quite the same, you know, pizzazz that it's had in the past. Turn this thing on. Can't you just see me? Because of how things ended. I feel like I never, really got closure for the end of the school year. I enjoyed you guys' class. A lot of you guys are all really, really good kids, or young adults. It's really kind of cool. I've known a lot of you guys now since your freshman years, and you're going to be going to be a senior next year, and watching you guys grow from freshman year till now has been truly remarkable. To watch you guys grow from little pipsqueak freshmen to now being, very mature young men and women. So I'm very proud of you guys. Also, if you guys need anything over the summer, you need to talk. I know this is, kind of been a tough time with like mental health and whatnot, with like, being isolated and your norms have been thrown off. So if you guys need anything, I'm here for you guys. Um, Obviously next year with you guys being seniors, if you guys need anything, pop in my room, say hello. I probably won't have you guys unless you're taking street law. But pop in and say hello. I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys need anything from me, letter, letters of recommendation or anything along those lines, I hope you ask. If you guys ever need anything. Um, so anyway, um, if you look at this coronavirus thing, I'm gonna go government on you guys for a minute. Hopefully you guys have been kind of watching and paying attention to the news, and it's been really interesting to see, and things that we talked about with federalism. Every state's kind of different. If you look at like how Ohio did things with shutting down early, how some of our things were different from Illinois or Michigan or New York. So you kind of saw federalism kind of play out live in a real life situation. So hopefully you kind of pay attention to that. So anyway, hope you guys have a good, enjoyable summer. Stay safe. Be smart. Um, I know, some of the restrictions. Guys, I'm trying to do a video here. Sorry. Can you say hi?
Hi.
It's supposed to be their bedtime, but they're up. I don't know why.
Daddy.
Buddy, I'm doing a video. Could you give me a minute? So anyway, okay, but where I was at. But anyway, enjoy you guys' summer. Be safe. I know a lot of restrictions are being lifted, but again, be smart. Do your part, and be safe. With that being said, make sure you guys do the survey. That'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure you guys turn in anything that you're missing. Would also be greatly appreciated too. All right, guys. Adios. I'll see you guys next year. Again, if you guys need anything at all, please send me an email. I'll get back to you guys ASAP if you guys need anything at all. All right, adios.